Hello everyone, my name is Veena and today I would like to share my personal experience and before that I would like to ask you one question, that is, are you struggling to stay focused? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. If you find this video useful, then drop me a comment and a like. Okay, so let me share my personal experience. Because I'm a new mom, I'm not able to focus. I have so many other responsibilities. I need to focus on my goals. I need to see whether my baby is I'm able to take care of my baby. I have other responsibilities. So this was the question, that I'm not able to focus, I'm not able to do so many things on daily basis. I was in anxiety 3 months ago because I was not having a routine. So you have to see that. Do you have a routine? Do you have a proper time management? I am following now a proper routine and time management, and in that routine, I am able to do whatever I want to. I'm able to accomplish, I'm able to do certain tasks which can take me or reach me to my goal. Okay, so one technique which I am following, that is Pomodoro technique, that you can follow in your life to achieve your dreams, your desires. And this is scientifically proven. What you have to do is, if you have 1 hour, like if you have 1 hour free time, if like after planning your day, if you think that this is the particular time I am free, 1 hour, 2 hours, doesn't matter. If you can exceed, it means if you can drag till 2 hours or 3 hours, that is well enough, that is good enough. But I'm talking about at least for 1 hour. So you need to set a timer. Work for 25 minutes and break for at least 5 minutes. In that break, you can drink water, you can reply those who are messaging you on WhatsApp. But on that particular 25 minutes, don't just check your phones, emails. Don't randomly check your Instagram, Reels. No. These are not allowed. If you want to follow this technique, you have to stick to the rule, that is, set a timer of 25 minutes and 5 minutes break, and you have to follow this at least for 30 days or 60 days, so that you can accomplish your particular goal. And please do write me after following this how you are feeling, because I am feeling great after following this technique. So please follow this technique and accomplish your goal, because if there is a will, there is a way. Sometimes I used to feel that how I will accomplish my goals, because now I have huge responsibility. I need to take care of my baby because she is everything to me and I need to give her time. But along with that, something was missing, means I was not able to focus on my goals. I was not productive. I was thinking that how these things will go. So I'm taking baby steps every day. I'm taking baby steps and following this particular technique, that is Pomodoro technique. So please follow this technique and enjoy your life and accomplish whatever the dreams and desires you have. Always remember that take baby steps. If you don't have time, don't say that I don't have time. Manage your time. Write down in which way you can manage at least for half an hour, 1 hour, so that you can achieve your goal and you can work on it. So this is Veena Roy signing off. If you want to level up your English, then please follow the Influential English Hub. Take care. Bye-bye.